Good afternoon, everyone. It is KIT Iizuka. Today is Thursday, July 16th, fourth period for English 7D. This is our last full class before we go into tests. And next week, that will be your Moodle review quiz. And then the week after that, on July 30th, is the final test. For the Moodle review quiz, just like the midterm test, please make sure that your computer is ready, that you have either wireless or wired headphones, that the battery on your computer is good, and if you can, bring your charger. That's never a bad idea for that situation. And most of you have Moodle on your smartphone, but also make sure that your smartphone is good too, just in case something happens with your computer. Okay, so let's see here. Class 14. That's the Moodle review quiz. But also there is a reflection. So don't forget the reflection for that Moodle review quiz. Oh, and there's a reading quiz for you. Sorry, I forgot. Second year students, you also have your last reading quiz assigned to you next week. So keep an eye on that. This week, you have your walking videos. And I'm sorry I haven't finished marking all of your walking videos, but I promise I will finish marking them by tomorrow. Okay, I'll finish marking them by tomorrow. So if you want to wait just a little bit, the deadline for the second walking video is August 1st. There's a little bit of time, but I promise by tomorrow night, I will have everybody's videos marked. You can get an idea of what I liked, what I didn't like. Also, too, remember that over here, there's this video. And I'm talking about how to make sure that your videos are okay. Some of you, I looked at some of your videos. One problem that was happening was that you were holding the camera down here, and that's no good. Hold it up just like eye contact, should be at eye level, maybe a little bit higher, and make sure that you can see your hands. So this was the biggest thing that I saw. Some people were holding their cameras much too low. But watch the whole video and it'll give you an explanation for how to improve. And for each video, before you submit your walking video number 2, I promise by tomorrow night, I will have everyone's walking videos marked, walking video number 1 marked, and you can take a look at how you did. You have vocabulary quiz number 6. And and the reflection that you have every week. Now, I want to check that everybody got their partner names and student submissions submitted. We didn't do that yet? What's going on here? Oh, is that from today? Or is this, hang on. Yeah, that's 7D. Okay, well, then we're going to have to do it today. Partner names and student numbers. Here we go. I didn't show that. Okay, we'll take care of that after I'm finished the video. And then the final test will be on July 30th. Okay. And if you have any questions about any of this, some of it is a little bit confused because of my mistakes. I apologize. Remember, you can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com and we'll work everything out. Otherwise, good luck, everybody, with your tests, and let's have a good class today.